Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you a new Ninja template for NetBox. So we have this Ninja plugin for NetBox, and with that you can generate automatic network diagrams like this. So very shortly, Ninja is a plugin which has access to all NetBox data. It is written in Jinja, so you need to write a template. And in this particular case, we are producing XML output in a rautanen-io format. And if we take a look closer, this Ninja template has been assigned to a site object, which means this diagram will be rendered per site. So if we go to NetBox sites, we have now this Ninja tab here, and this diagram was generated automatically as I refreshed the page based on the NetBox data. And you have this option to interact with the diagram. You can click the devices and you get their respective NetBox pages. You can click interfaces and you get their respective NetBox pages. Now in the Ninja template I have written so that you have to specify the device roles in NetBox which are placed in the column 1, and device roles for devices that are placed in the column 2, 3 and 4, and so on. So here I have just said that firewalls will be placed in the column 1, distribution switches to the second column, access switches to the third column, and edge host to the last column. So everything here happens automatically. And by the way, only active devices are shown here. So if I go and edit this device and make it, for example, offline, go back to diagram and refresh the page, it will be disappeared here. It supports long names for devices. If I go and say long name and go back to the site, the width of this column got wider. It supports same way the long interface name. And as you can see, the interface labels in this particular column got wider. I can go and add more links. I can go and remove links. I can add more devices. Let's do that. Let's go here and clone the device. Now we see that in the diagram as well. And it was, by the way, placed in the last one because it has no uplinks or downlinks. So this way the template itself is quite scalable. There is room for improvement of placing some things, but it's pretty useful even as is. So with Ninja plugin for NetBox you can generate all sorts of things such as diagrams, and to generate diagram like this you just need to install the plugin, and this particular template has been published as an open source in the GitHub. So take a look into it and enjoy seeing things visually. Thank you.